Hey everyone, back with some more projects for the Twitchit Craft Kits Deep Blue Sea kit. It is available now. I was very lucky that Tabitha sent me up the kit to have a bit of a play with while I was away recently. And oh, man, I just made so many projects. I'm so excited to share these all with you. So this one here, traditionally it's called a card in a box. So essentially you can fold it like that. If you want to send it away, it fits into an envelope and it's basically just a card in a box. So the papers I used are this Anchors Away. I used both the A side and the B side, so that's like a rope side, and then there's the anchors. It is from Cartabella, and of course I used plenty of the stickers as well. So there's loads of stickers from the sticker sheet on there. I've definitely had a lot of fun using that sticker sheet, making all of these projects. And Tabitha has a great way of throwing together different kits, different papers from different collections and manufacturers to really match together. So while I was away, I did actually ducked into a scrapbooking shop, and I did pull some chipboard pieces from the shop. So of course I have added a few of these in the projects as I go along. I did add cardstock, so that is like a funny brownie khaki sort of cardstock for that one. And the measurements for that one basically is I started with a 6 by 11 piece of cardstock. So you can make this out of your normal A4 piece of cardstock, and I kept these fronts at 2.5 inches each. So the box is basically 2.5 inches, you know, all the way around. So at 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, and then leave that extra little 1 inch for your box to close. You know, leave the little 1 inch flap to close. So again, scoring on the long side, scoring at 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, and leave the flap to glue over. And then at the top bit, because I wanted this to be 2.5, you know, like a 2.5 square for that flap. So out of 6 inches, I scored it at 3.5. So we got 3.5 down here, and we got 2.5 up here. I used the rope side of the pattern paper all the way around, so 1, 2, 3, and also in there. Now most of the time people do cover this bit as well. I didn't, just because, you know, you can add your writing and sentiment and stuff like that to it. And I'll probably leave that blank until I do want to use this and send this away to someone. I do have a couple of little boys in my life that would love a boat themed card like this, so I'm saving it special for them. And then of course these bits here, because they're 2.5, we want to come in, so it's probably about 2.25 or so each squared. Adding in the fun little stickers, and that finishes off the box. Okay, and then I love doing this. So these are box cards, and people have been doing them for many years. I did a special box card. It was like a yearly one for both of my kids many years ago, probably about 4, 5, 6 years ago. And I love them so much. I just thought I would share the project's idea, you know, make one and share it with you. So this is just a 3 by 4 off the, you know, there's a full 12 by 12 sheet that has these 3 by 4s on it. So that's one of them. The washi that came with the kit, or at least with some of my some of the kits that Tabitha sent me. I used the Lighthouse paper, but I used the B side, which is these fun starfish on it. This blue stripe is from the Bow Bunny. This one is the pinwheels one, so the Freedom pinwheels. So it's the B side to the Freedom pinwheels. I added some acetate to 2 sides. Now these 2 sides I did stick together with the washi and just a stripe of the rope. And in there I've added in, so there's that rope as well at the bottom that we spoke about before with the anchors away. I just added, that's another 3x4 piece off that sheet, and lots and lots of stickers. So to get my stickers to stick up, I sort of stuck a bit down on the bottom first and then on there, just, you know, in half, and they stick up. They're so cute, and this is a really wonderful under the water sort of scene. Anything special for any little boy or girl that really love under the sea stuff. You could definitely add in, if you wanted to, your own little mermaid just here coming off that, just sitting there like that would be so perfect and so cute. Add in some extra little fish and you would have the most adorable little scene there. Great little gift for any ocean inspired little boy or girl. Perfect little box cards for your next present. Again, that is Twitchit Craft Kits, and this is the Deep Blue Sea Kit using Catabella and Bow Bunny. Loads and loads of goodies in this kit to share with you guys. So definitely get on touch with Tabitha at Twitchit Craft Kits and order your kit today.